Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to retweet with a comment on Twitter using your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Click or tap the retweet icon. This icon is represented by two arrows forming a square shape located below the tweet. Step 2. Tap Retweet with Comment. This option allows you to add your own thoughts or comments to the retweet. Step 3. Enter your comments and press Retweet. You can express your opinion, share additional information, or simply add your personal touch to the retweet. Step 4. The icon will turn green, confirming that you've successfully retweeted the tweet with your comment. This way, your followers can see both the original tweet and your thoughts on it. Step 5. Additionally, you can also retweet a tweet from a profile page or a tweet's permalink page. This gives you the flexibility to engage with tweets from various sources. And there you have it. You now know how to retweet with a comment on Twitter using your PC. It's a great way to share your perspective and engage with others on the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.